The Agni series is probably the most popular smartphone series from Lava, and last year we got the Lava Agni 3, which was a mid-range smartphone with some unique features like a secondary display on the back, a curved AMOLED display, a MediaTek Dimensity 7300X chipset, LPDDR5 RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, and a clean stock Android experience for a starting price of around 20,000 rupees. The brand is now preparing to launch the Lava Agni 4 in the Indian market, and the official launch date is November 20. While we still have a couple of weeks left for the official launch, the brand has shared the first look of the phone and the Agni 4 looks really premium. As we can see, the Lava Agni 4 features a flat aluminum frame, which is a big upgrade from the last year's Agni 3, which had a plastic frame. There is a glass back, so the phone not only looks premium but has premium materials. On the side, we can also see an extra button, which is most likely an action key, which we also saw on the Lava Agni 3. Now, since the frame is flat, this means the display is most likely flat as well. Now, this is a good news for many because most of the users prefer a flat display instead of a curved one. There is no secondary display on the back this time, and the phone also has only 2 cameras on the back. The camera module design is pretty unique, and it looks like there are also 2 LED strips in the camera module. It seems like Lava is taking notes from nothing. Lava has officially confirmed that the Agni 4 has a MediaTek Dimensity chipset, but there is no official confirmation on the exact model. As per many leaks, there is the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, which is almost the same as Dimensity 8300, and we have seen the Dimensity 8350 in phones such as the OnePlus Nord CE5, the Oppo Reno 13, the Realme P3 Ultra, and the Motorola Edge 60 Pro. If the Lava Agni 4 launch is under 25,000 rupees in the Indian market, it will be one of the most powerful phones in its price segment. This time we are also expecting a big silicon carbon battery, which was not the case in the Agni 3 last year. And finally, the Lava Agni 4 should launch with stock Android 16 out of the box. So, what do you think of the design, and what should be the starting price of the Lava Agni 4? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.